Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how you can recover your Spotify account without email. I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So to recover your Spotify account without an email, you'll not be able to do it from the application. You'll need to open up your web browser and then contact the support team. On the search box, type in support.spotify.com. And once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the support center, and under it you'll be able to see a list of category or the help category. So what you need to do is you need to slightly scroll down and click on account help in the right hand side corner. Under it you'll be able to see a list of options, so then swipe towards the left hand side and then click on security. As you click on security, under it there will be a list of options. So what you'll need to do is you need to click on the option that is think your account has been hacked. After that there will be more information or the article regarding the method on how you can recover your account. So for that, what you'll need to do is scroll down, and under it once again you'll be able to see an option, or you'll be able to see a specific option. You'll need to click on whether you're still able to access your account, or if you're not able to access, then click on the option that is can't access your account and then click on contact us as the link. And for the subject, type in account recovery. For the email, what you can type in is, hi support team, I'm unable to recover my accounts since I don't have any access to my contact information. And what you can do is you can also give an additional information, such as you can provide your username, and after that you can also provide the email through which they can contact you. And after that you need to send the email, and once you do that, the email has been submitted successfully. All you need to do is wait patiently until they look into your matter. So that is how you can recover your Spotify account without your email. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.